Do you really think that Incognito Mode is like Harry Potter invisibility cloak? You are not hiding from anyone. Just your browser history. Protecting yourself is the first step to protect your family. Subscribe to the channel if you wanna keep learning how to defend yourself and your loved ones online. Using Incognito Mode is like wearing a mask. Isn't it so very helpful? Even with your mask on, you are wearing a t-shirt with your name and home address printed on it. You can hide your face all you want, but if everyone can still recognize you, the mask is useless. Let's be clear. Incognito Mode does have its uses, but they are not what you think. If you really want to hide yourself online, you need something else. When you browse internet, it's like you are eating delicious cookies. You know, the ones that your mom or your wife makes? Those ones. As you eat, you leave crumbs everywhere. Incognito Mode is like a little robot vacuum that cleans up all those crumbs. But here's the problem. Cleaning the floor is useless if there is a security camera in the kitchen watching everything you do. Yeah, Incognito Mode hides your browsing history but not saving it on your computer. But it doesn't stop everyone else from watching. Your ISP, your system administrator at school or at work, or even the websites, they are watching what are you doing. Why? Because they save logs of your activity, even if you are using Incognito Mode. It's like you have cleaned your floor by not saving your browsing history, but the records are still there. So, the Incognito Mode, is it useless? No. You just need the right tool for the right job. And here is the golden rule. Use Incognito Mode for your local privacy. Are you buying a secret gift for your wife or your girlfriend? Use Incognito. Are you logging into your email from a hotel shared computer? Use Incognito. But if you want real online privacy, you just need a VPN. It's like taping that security camera in the kitchen before eating those cookies. So you will not have any crumbs on the floor and also any records. Okay. Stop trusting that guy with sunglasses, with the mask. He doesn't hide anything. He isn't a bodyguard, he's just like a really efficient house cleaner. But what about you? Did you know that? Or you were using Incognito Mode to feel like a hacker in internet? Let us know in the comments. This is Cyberpop, where cybersecurity becomes simple. Subscribe to the channel and keep learning how to defend yourself online. Ciao!